Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in a new style key fob from a push-button start Honda with a fresh one. New fobs from Acura will likely be similar. We will need the help of a very small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. But we'll start with a huge word of caution. When we finished and snapped the case back together, the alarm was triggered. It took a few minutes to realize that the hold button, which sets off the alarm, had slipped out of its proper location, and in the process of taking the fob apart again, the two small buttons shown here actually fell out. So first, do this on a large flat surface and be aware that all of the bright acrylic buttons are loose and can shift or fall out. Also, the buttons on this Acura key look like they too can fall away. They are behind a rubber membrane, but they can be loosened and can fall away if you're trying to put one back where it belongs. So we'll get to work. First, we'll need to remove the mechanical key for access. Look for this small slide lever on the back of the fob. Slide it to the side and pull the key ring, and we have the key. Now we'll want to separate the fob into its two halves. Note the gap between the thicker portions of the case. Slip the mechanical key in the gap and twist to separate the two halves. Keep the button side down. It is also the half that holds the battery, our CR2032, with its markings shown up. The screwdriver will be needed to get beneath it. Slip the new battery in with its markings up, starting at the deep end of the fob. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe the battery clean once again. The two halves of the fob snap back together easily. Again, be sure the buttons are in their proper location. There's the alarm. Return the mechanical key as well. And once everything is in place, test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.